In today's world of information overload, finding a clear and accurate answer can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. You have got articles, white paper, blogs, reports, all saying something slightly different. That's where multi-document summarization comes in. It's a powerful AI technique that reads all those documents for you and gives you a neat coherent summary. Let's break it down, how it works and why it's becoming a game changer. What is multi-document summarization? At its core, multi-document summarization is exactly what it sounds like. It takes multiple documents and generates a single meaningful summary from them. Unlike traditional summarization, which focuses on one document, this technique brings together information from various sources to give a well-rounded answer. It's especially useful for answering broad or complex questions that can't be explained by one source alone. Why it's so powerful? Captures diverse perspectives, saves time and effort in research, give accurate context-rich answer. Okay, so let's see how does it work. Now let's walk through how AI pulls this off. While the tech behind it is advanced, the process is so easy to understand. Step-by-step process. Let's see. Step 1. Data collection. Gathers documents from website, PDF, news articles, research paper, etc. Step 2. Text cleaning. Filters out irrelevant or duplicate content. Step 3. Semantic understanding. The AI understands the meaning of text, not just the keywords. Step 4. Deduplication. Removes repetitive or overlapping information. Step 5. Summary creation. Generates a human readable summary that answers the central question. The result? A coherent summary that feels like it came from one well-informed expert rather than a jumble of sources. Benefits at a glance. Why are people raving about multi-document summarization? Here are the top advantages. Time saving. Yes, you heard it right. Now, no need to read every source manually. Data rich answer. Pulls the best info from each document. Comprehensive. Covers multiple angles and sources. Intelligent. Uses natural language processing to truly understand content. So let's see what about limitation. Of course, no technology is perfect. Challenges still exist. Conflicting info from sources can be tricky to handle. Context can sometimes get lost if not properly balanced. Misinformation or biased input sources can affect the summary. That said, as AI models evolve, these limitations are rapidly being addressed. Multi-document summarization is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here. And it's making research smarter and faster. Whether you are asking how does climate change affect global food supply or what's the best way to implement remote work policies, AI can read dozens of sources and give you a clean, reliable answer. In a world where time is short and information is endless, tools like this help us to focus on what really matters, understanding. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share it with others and subscribe for more easy to understand insights on smart tech like this.